Hi, Mike Stein from the Center for Teaching Excellence. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a poll to a Zoom meeting in Canvas. First, go to your Canvas course and click Zoom on the left navigation menu. Once Zoom loads in Canvas, click on the meeting where you'd like to add the poll. Scroll down to the bottom of the meeting page, and you will see the poll section. From here, you can download the template by clicking Download a CSV template. Once your template is downloaded, you can open it up in Excel by clicking on it from the browser. You can now adjust your poll by editing the information in the cells here. Be careful to make sure you follow the exact same format or it will not import properly. In column A, the first thing you have is the poll title. This is the title you will see so you know which poll you're starting. Your students will not see this title, so it's just for you. In this case, I'll call this Week 1 poll. In column B, you will have your questions. By default, the first poll in the template only has 2 questions. However, you can delete or add more as you'd like. To edit a question, click in the cell in column B, then type your question. In column C, you have the question type. For this, you can either type single or multiple. Single will mean that your students will only be allowed to select one answer, whereas multiple, they will be able to select multiple answers. In this case, I'll change it to single. In column D, you have your answers. By default, you get 3 answers per question. However, you can add more by adding rows to this section. To add a row, right-click on the last question, then click Insert. From the Insert pop-up window, select Entire Row and click OK. If you select multiple cells, you can insert as many rows as cells that are selected. In this case, I've selected 4 cells. So if I right-click and select Insert, select Entire Row, click OK, I'll insert 4 cells. You can also delete rows by right-clicking in the cell and clicking Delete. Then select Entire Row and click OK. You can do this for multiple cells by selecting multiple cells, right-clicking, clicking Delete, Entire Row, OK. When you have the right number of choices, you can then type your answers. Make sure you leave the cell directly to the right of the question type blank. Answers start on the cell directly below that. I have successfully set up my first question in the poll. What is your favorite color? It will be a single choice question, and I have 5 answers. If you'd like to add another question, you can edit the next question, how useful was this course, by following the same steps as we just did. However, if you'd like to delete that question, select all of the cells that are in that question. Right-click, then click Delete. Make sure you select Entire Row, then click OK. If you'd like to add another poll, repeat the steps since the beginning of the video. However, if you'd like to delete the second poll, click and drag to select the entire poll, right-click, Delete, Entire Row, OK. Now everything under the Week 1 poll's answers is blank in my Excel spreadsheet. Let's save our changes. Go to File and click Save. You can now close Excel by clicking on the X at the top right of the screen. Now let's import the Excel sheet we just edited. Click on the Import CSV button at the bottom right of the screen. Click the file, then click Open. Scroll down to see your poll. You can now see I have a Week 1 poll, I have 1 question, it's a single choice question, and here are my answers. Now, when I start the meeting, this poll will be ready to go. You have now successfully added a poll to a Zoom meeting through Canvas.